So I'm wearing the workout clothes. I've actually wanted to wear I can't talk. These outfits. Bro, I'm so pissed. You know, I have to beat someone up, bro. You gossiping neighbors. Many times have I told you, you know what? Get up, get up. No. No! Bring your booty cheeks over here. Come here. Come on, Asian lady. Come here. Going down the stairs! Damn it. Try to kick her, bro. Innocent people just talking and having a smoke. Not anymore, buddy. When did you delete? Why did you delete in one day? Bro, where are you going? No one is safe, bro. What did I say? What did I say, man? Everyone is getting the same treatment. Gender equal. Wait, what? They just disappear. I know they are gone. They are not here anymore. Bro,